Hello mga ka-savings, welcome for another video. So ang i-discuss pala natin in this video is regarding best company to work in the Philippines as of third quarter of 2023. Welcome pala sa channel natin na Carlo Madiscorting Empleyado. So may pahapyaw din to ng highest salary sa bawat kumpanya. So napaka-importante ng pagpili ng tamang kumpanya kung nakafocus tayo sa salary. At of course, syempre pag fresh grad tayo, nakafocus tayo sa learning. Pero kapag natapos na tayo minsan sa stage na nakafocus tayo sa learning, gusto na natin pagsabayin yung learning at earning. At minsan naman, sawa na tayo sa learning, nakafocus na tayo sa earning. So napaka-importanteng alam natin yung mga kumpanya na nagbibigay sa atin ng progress at ng may mas malaking salary. So kung interested ka sa ganitong content, this video is for you. So let's start. So ito na. The list was based on 8 elements that lead to career progression. This is based from LinkedIn. Yung come up nitong top 10 na to. Actually, top 15 to pero top 10 lang ifo-focus natin. So, first is to ability to advance. So, napakaganda nito as empleyado. Skill growth. So, kung hindi tayo nag-i-skill growth, hindi tayo nag-progress, walang advancement. So, matitenga ka lang. So, magiging obsolete ka, so mapag-iiwanan ka ng panahon, hindi mo mabibenta yung sarili mo sa employer at sa ibang kasabayan mo na empleyado. So company stability, external opportunity, itong importante kasi hindi naman tayo lahat talagang gusto natin mag-stay sa isang company. Napaka-importante ng external opportunity. Ngayon kapag galing ka sa top 10 na to, yung chance, yung marketability mo kapag lipat mo ng ibang kumpanya is medyo gaganda at mas lalaki. And then, company affinity, gender diversification, napaka-importante ng gender diversification nowadays. Educational background, kung sa university ka galing, kung anong tinapos mo. Employee presence in the country. So, napaka-importante nito. Alam naman natin, itong top 10 na di-discuss natin dito, medyo top tier to pagdating sa mga employer sa Pilipinas. Kaya sila nandito sa list as of third quarter ng 2023. So, start na muna tayo sa top 10. So, meron din pala akong mga personal knowledge dito sa mga company na nandito which is i-discuss din natin in this video. So, Procter & Gamble, meron akong personal experience dito kay Procter & Gamble kasi maganda dito kay Procter & Gamble, pati benefits nila maganda rin. So, top location, Metro Manila, and then most common job title, Information Technology Manager, Mechanical Engineer, Financial Analyst, and then largest job function, Information Technology, Accounting Operation. I think dapat isama na rin nila dito yung procurement, pati yung shared services, which is shared service yung nasa ibang country ng PNG rin. So ang masasabi ko lang kay PNG is okay din. Okay mag-work dito way back. Siguro 10 years ago, ang starting ata dito is nasa 50K para sa mga fresh grad. So, 10 years ago pa yon. Pero nag-vary na yan ngayon. Wala na akong ganong balita kay PNG. So, makikita natin dito, salary satisfaction is 88%. Tapos, claim profile din. Ito palang mga salary na to is nakapublic to sa Indeed. So, punta lang kayo sa Indeed. Punta lang kayo sa company. So, tapos, i-click nyo yung salary. Makikita nyo yon. So, average salary at Procter & Gamble. So, popular roles, account manager 76,480 per month, and then associate manager 71. Siguro itong iba is mga starting. Syempre once na nag-start ka, mag-increase ka rin naman annually. So yun. And then number 2 is SAP. Ang personal knowledge ko naman dito kay SAP, nung fresh grad pa lang ako before, isa na to sa gusto kong mapasukan na company kasi nga yung unang work ko is malalaking company lang nakakagamit or gumagamit ng SAP. So nung fresh grad ako, gusto ko talaga makapasok sa SAP, pero hindi ako nagkaroon ng pagkakataon makapasok sa SAP. And then top location in the Philippines, Metro Manila. And then most common job title, finance associate, audit supervisor, and then technical support engineer. Largest job function, information technology, finance, and then customer success and support. And then may expertise kasi dito per module, so depende kung anong module ka mag-exceed. And then walang ganong review sa Indeed regarding salary, pero nakalagay dito support engineer is 57,000 per month. And then yung salary satisfaction nila is mataas din, 75%. So based on 40 rating. So napaka-importante yung kay PNG, ilan ba yon? based on 168. So based sa 168 na nag-rate, 88% yung satisfied. So number 8 is Kyndryl. So ito pala mga savings and mga ka-empleyado, napaka-importante ng job industry. So kung makikita nyo dyan sa baba ng Procter & Gamble, yung P&G is manufacturing, and then yung SAP is software development. Napaka-importante na alam nyo kung anong industry kayo involved or kung anong industry kayo naroon, kasi yung mga magiging future employer nyo, tinitingnan din nila yung experience nyo based sa industry, kung ilang years na kayo sa industry na work experience nyo. And then yon sa Kyndryl, actually ngayon ko lang siya narinig, sorry mga savings, pero nasa industry siya ng IT services and IT consulting. And then most notable skill, system administrator, computer security, industrial design. Most common job titles is system administrator. So, ano nga natin saglit about Kyndryl? Kyndryl provide IT infrastructure management service to other companies including cloud. So, alam naman natin ngayon, more on cloud na, of course, pati yung AI, more on cloud, data system management, network, security, and more. Kyndryl was a spam of IBM in 2021. So, number 7 is Aboitiz Power. So, meron din ako kilala mga taga Aboitiz Power. So, medyo okay din ang bigayan dito mga ka-savings. And then, top location, Metro Manila, Cebu, Metro Davao. Most notable skill, water engineering, power system, environmental engineering. Most common job title, automation engineer, human resource specialist, logistics supervisor. O yung isang kakilala ko na nagtatrabaho dito sa Aboitiz is dineploy siya sa rural area, which is yung area din kung nasan siya. So napakaganda, ang dami ko nakikitang post galing sa kanya regarding siya yung nagre-represent sa Aboitiz Power. And then with regarding to salary, regarding sa 36 na nag-rate, 61 yung satisfy sa salary nila. So ito yung sa accounting specialist, 20,000 per month, tax specialist, 21,000 per month, electrical engineer, 21,000 per month, network engineer, 23,000 per month. Kapag international yung hawak nila na accounts or client na part din ng Aboitiz, baka mas malaki yung salary na malalagay, which is ito lang yung nalagay natin dito based on Indeed. And then Globe Group, alam naman natin si Globe. So Metro Manila, Davao. So largest job function, sales, information technology, and then engineering. So Globe, alam naman natin to lahat, pero lagay ko lang about Globe. Globe Group is telecommunication conglomerate that provide mobile broadband and other digital communication services in both consumer and businesses. So ito yung salary na nakalap natin kay Globe based on Indeed. So punta muna tayo sa right side. Salary satisfaction is 68% out of 800 na nag-rate. So napakataas nun. Project manager 66,000, account manager 49. So hindi na natin isa-isahin. Checkan nyo na lang etong page na to mga savings. And then strategy manager 75,000. And then sa 5 naman natin, Unilever. Of course, itong mga production na to, medyo marami akong kakilala dito. Procter & Gamble, Unilever, Johnson & Johnson's. So maganda rin to, Unilever. So top location in the Philippines, Metro Manila. Most notable skills, operational efficiency, chemical processing, pharmaceutical, and manufacturing. Dito sa tatlong to, P&G, Unilever, Johnson & Johnson, experience is very important mga ka-savings. So most common job title, quality assurance analyst, account manager, brand manager. And then largest job function, operation, sales, business development. So tingnan natin yung salary sa J&J. So kung makikita nyo, brand manager 78K, intern 10K, development intern 12K, supply chain specialist 41K, and then meron din siyang 68% na rating out of 189. So napakataas nun. And then Philip Morris. So medyo marami rin akong kilala sa Philip Morris. So top location is Metro Manila. Meron silang office sa BGC. And then most common job title is manager of sales, accounting analyst, mechanical technician. And then Philip Morris is international in a global tobacco company that produce and distribute cigarette, tobacco, and other nicotine-containing product like e-cigarette. So, tingnan naman natin, medyo konti yung nag-rate regarding sa salary sa Philip Morris or PMI. So, average salary sa PMI is 28,000 per month. And then out of 80 na nag-rating, hindi lang sila willing mag-share ng salary nila, pero out of 80 na nag-rate sa Philip Morris, nasa 85 yung satisfied sa salary nila. And then number 3 na tayo. Number 3 is si Maya. Alam naman natin, si Maya is before is PayMaya. So, most common job title is software engineer, more on IT side to. Quality engineer specialist, relation manager. Largest job function is engineering, information technologies, and sales. So, regarding Maya, walang ganang nag-share ng salary nila. So, medyo tayo dito sa Maya. Pero, siguro okay din ang bigayan dito. Marami akong kilalang part ng management ng Smart. Pero sa Maya, wala akong ganong kakilala. Sa Mint, ito na-offeran ako before sa Mint. Around 90,000 ata offer sa akin. Pero hindi ko lang green up that time. So, Mint is a parent company of GCash and Fuse. Top location in the Philippines is Metro Manila. So, most notable skills, fintech, more on AI din to, and more on IT. Most common job title, software engineer, product manager, and account manager. Largest job function, engineering, information technology, and sales. So yun. So, punta tayo sa salary ng Mint. So, kung makikita nyo dito, software engineer is 46,000, project manager is 66,000, and then sa baba naman, quality assurance is 47,936,000 per month. So, meron ditong comment. So, basahin na lang din. Environment is very friendly, co-worker help each other out and does not treat each other as competitive rival, learning a lot of new things as everything is much transparent. So, maganda magtrabaho sa Mint, yun lang ang masasabi ko. So, marami rin akong co-work ngayon at dati pa na nag-work before sa Mint. So, number 1 na tayo. So, sa list is Accenture based on career growth at sa list ng LinkedIn as of third quarter ng taon na to. So, top location, alam naman, Metro Manila, Cebu, Metro Ilocos. Most notable skill is more on IT side. So, software and testing, robotics, software and development, life cycle. Most common job title, software engineer. Dito, pwede ka mag-engineer kahit hindi ka talaga engineer based on title. So, papangalanan ka na lang software engineer, programming analyst, data analyst. So, largest job function, engineering, information technology, operations. And then, tignan natin yung salary, mga savings based on Indeed to, naka-public to. So, average salary at the Accenture software engineer, starting yan. Normally, kadalasan na nandito is starting to. At eventually, sa starting mo, magkakaroon ka naman ng increase annually, and then kapag may promotion ka, pwedeng mas malaki yung increase mo, and then claim din yung profile nila. So, and then 68% is satisfied based on 2,767 na rating. So, software engineer 25, software engineer na sa babang side is 87. So, kung gusto nyo more on thorough regarding sa salary, punta lang kayo sa Indeed, tapos sa company review, and then sa salary. Associate manager 89,000. So, technical support specialist 25, senior software engineer 48, developer 50. So, kadalasan dito is starting, syempre kapag nagtatagal kayo sa kumpanya, mas lumalaki siya. And then sa Accenture na offeran din ako dati, kaya lang hindi nila kaya yung expected salary ko. So, hindi rin ako nakapag-work sa Accenture, pero hindi ko kinuklose yung door kasi Accenture, malay nyo, in the future, mangilangan or nag-try ulit ako lumipat ng job, isa pa rin sa pinagpipilian ko yung Accenture. So, yun yung top 10 based on salary. So, gagawa based on career progression growth. So,